Hi everybody, it's the RetroYuuki once again, giving you guys today's tutorial for the Waifu Arena Story Mode, which was just added to the game. Before we get started, make sure you have Discord and Mudae GM, as you guys can see here. Mudae GM is required for this tutorial. To get Mudae GM, please run $help, $help, and you should get a DM message from Mudae. To get the bot for Mudae GM, please head to the Waifu Arena section of the DM that the Mudae bot just sent you. Go ahead and click this link. It will take you to a authorization page. Make sure you select your server and make sure you allow authorization for the bot. Once we have done that, let's go back to the server for you guys. And let's do a quick review of what the Mudae Arena is. So we're gonna go Arena, and this is what the arena technically is, okay? It's a one-on-one experience with a member of the server or a two-on-two battle, where if you can take out their life points, you win. However, the Mudae Arena, in terms of the story mode, is a little bit different. In order to run the story mode, you need Info Arena, so $Info Arena, and most of the rules are the same except for one very particular difference. You're actually teammates. In story mode, you are a team of 8. Up to 8 players can play with you. Okay? So once you have your team of 8, let's go ahead and talk about the commands. Most of the commands you see here are similar to what you see in the Waifu Arena regular one-on-one edition, where you put $F and a character you own to join the battle. You still have to have your skill points ready, so you use $skills before the fight begins, and you're going to select a character that you have in terms of your $MM, and you're going to apply 5 skill points. Very careful, make sure you have this memorized as well. This is very important because of your stats. Now remember, you are a team of 8, not a member versus member in story mode. I'll show you why. Okay, in this particular server, I only have one character because it's my test server. But to get started with the story mode, we need to run $, Info Arena, and $AR1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I'm going to run $AR1. So we're going to have our very first arena battle here on the story mode. Now, very carefully read this part. There is a little bit of an interesting story about the character you're about to fight. In this case, we're about to fight Luen. Okay? So, I'm going to put $MM first to see who I have in my harem. Then I'm going to use $MMF. This is very important. MM is for the regular claim game. MMF is for the particular Waifu Arena. So as you guys can see, I only have 1 attack point, 1 defense point, 5 starting points, and plus 8% life points. To get your stats, in terms of assigning skills, just run skills, and then the name of the character you have, or Laura in my case, and then you have to have 5 numbers that at the end add to 5. So let's say 0, 1, 1, 0, 3. And that's correct. $MMF. Pay attention to what happened to my stats from earlier. My life point counter went up to 24%. Very important that you actually have more energy here in this particular game, okay? Now, let's go ahead and run an arena battle for you in story mode. $AR1 and then $F, and I'm gonna put Malora, and then I'm gonna put $Go because I'm the only one here. And then, as you guys can see, the way you play the game in terms of the Waifu Arena Story Mode is exactly the same as you would with a one-on-one regular edition. The exception is you actually have a team of 8, okay, instead of playing each other. So it's the regular Waifu Arena but with teammates. So I have my attack here, my defense here, my study here, and my strawberry. Okay, if you guys remember, strawberry is more like defending everything on their side is -1. Okay, so we're gonna attack here. And as you can see, I'm gonna attack first. My attack is 1. As you guys can see, unfortunately, as you guys can see, I lost 5 study points. I'm at -5. But right now, I have a good lead in terms of life points here. Gonna study here. And I do have a +2 here, but he did use tackle. So I'm gonna have to go for it here at 1. So I found something. So I add 5 more attack points with my little search there. But he's trying to gain on me with a tackle of 9. Ooh, 6. Now this could be risky if I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna study here. Ooh, oh, but of course. He went for it. I'm at -8 at study points right now. So I only get a 7 to play with, okay? Yeah, he's going for it. He's going to just go for it. Now, as you guys can see, it's basically Waifu Arena, but with a team. So here's my suggestion. Come together with your members to see if you guys want to try the Battle Arena with the Story Mode edition. Okay? I'm going to quit here so that because we know I'm going to lose anyway. So there you go. So we're gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna use the door there. Yep. So he does win, but you don't get a penalty. You're fine. Okay. Again, I would highly suggest like you have at least 1 or 2 more teammates with you when you play the Waifu Arena Story Mode. This is not easy. Because I got a comment in one of the videos saying I'm trying to get a strategy going. My tips here is to try to at least get 2 or 3 teammates. Secondly, the second tip I have for you guys is to make sure you assign your skills carefully because you're not playing one-on-one. You're playing X on 1. X meaning how many teammates you have plus yourself against the opponent, which is whoever the opponent is. Somebody in the comments said they got up to $8R5. That's really good. But there's a ranking system here too. You guys can see that. $ladder, I believe, is what the command is. Okay? I believe that's the command there. Yeah, as you guys can see, there you go. That is the Waifu Arena highest difficulty from $AR1 to AR5. Okay? So that's how it goes in the Waifu Arena Story Mode. Now, Other tips that I can provide, make sure you guys have some strategy. Make sure you assign your skill points carefully. And make sure you have at least 2 or 3 members that are willing to play the arena with you in story mode before you attempt it, because it's really difficult to play by yourself. As you guys can already see, I would have lost if I continued, because I actually attempted this by myself on my main server for Mudae, and I gotta tell you, he has more than one of them wild monsters, as he called it. It's actually a Pokemon, to be honest with you. Okay, so yeah, that's the main difference. It's a big teammate. It's a big raid battle, if you will. That's how this goes. Okay, if I do a video where I do make a Waifu Arena Story Mode battle with a teammate, I'll do that when I can. Okay, but for now, that is the main tutorial for the Waifu Arena Story Mode. Next time, I'm gonna have the Kakera loots for you. This is another big part of the Mudae game where you guys can get bonus rolls. So I'm gonna do that later on. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that. But for now, check out these other Mudae tutorials for you guys on screen. And we'll see you guys next time. Have fun. Happy Mudae.